Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and useful feature of Gmail, starring messages. If you want to highlight important conversations or messages for easy access later, I'll guide you through the steps on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a few tabs. Tap on the Chat tab. Now, you should see a list of your conversations. Scroll through until you find the conversation that contains the message you want to star. Go ahead and open that conversation. Once it's open, locate the specific message you want to highlight. When you find it, simply tap and hold the message. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Finally, look for the option that says Star in the pop-up menu and tap on it. And just like that, you've starred your message. Now, it's easy to find important messages later on. Remember, starring messages is a great way to keep your inbox organized and ensure you never miss out on crucial information. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.